In this video, I'll show you how to add a location to a Facebook post step by step. Adding a location helps people know where your post was created and can make it easier for others to discover your content. To get started, open the Facebook app and sign in to your account. Tap Create Post or What's on Your Mind. To start a new post, enter your text, then add any photos or videos you'd like to include. Next, tap Add to your post or look for the location option. Tap Check-in or Location, then use the search bar to find the place you want to tag. Select the correct location from the list of results. Once the location has been added, review your post to make sure the text, media, and tagged location are correct. If everything looks good, tap Post or Publish to share it with your audience. Your selected location will appear with the post, helping people see where it was created or what place it relates to. If you don't see the location option, make sure location services are enabled for the Facebook app on your device, as some features depend on your location settings. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.